My name is Vanshul, and the workshop we have attended is about the Vastu and how we can balance the natural energies through the Vastu, and that was a very fantastic workshop which we have attended, which was organized by Sayash and but with the help of Co-offiz, and that was very wonderful because I am a tarot card reader and a palmist, and the knowledge, the basic knowledge of Vastu will help me to clear a lot of things and like to satisfy my clients in a very good manner. And if they are feeling like they are facing some these kind of problems, so we can also suggest, as sir suggested, the 16 houses of in the Vastu. So with the help of that we can suggest the possible remedies, and we can help them in the best possible manner. So that workshop is a wonderful experience for me. Thank you so much.